Ever wonder why most traders, like 99% of them, struggle to turn a profit? They're always swimming against the market's current. By the time their usual indicators flash a signal, it's often too late. They're buying just before a dip or selling right before a spike. I'm stoked to share the 5 most accurate trading indicators. One of them so under the radar, it's practically a secret weapon. Let's dive in. First up is the machine learning RSI. To get it on your chart, hop on to TradingView and search for machine learning RSI by this amazing author. What makes this RSI stand out? Its adaptive algorithm dynamically adjusts overbought and oversold thresholds in real time, unlike the static 30-70 levels. In trending markets, overbought might hit 85. In choppy markets, maybe 65. It learns from historical price patterns, making it versatile for any market vibe. Once added, you'll see the RSI aligned with color-changing threshold zones. The default smoothing uses EMA, but you can tweak it to fit your style. For trend spotting, watch the 50 line. Above it signals bullish, below it means bearish. When the RSI hits those dynamic zones and diverges from price, you've got a high probability reversal setup. Trend ID is great, but without knowing where the big money is flowing, you'll keep getting stopped out before major moves. Most support resistance tools are just static lines everyone's eyeing, which is why you need the comprehensive trading toolkit by Big Beluga. Search for it on TradingView and pick Big Beluga's version. This isn't some basic support resistance indicator, it's a full-on market analysis beast. Before we tweak settings, if you're tired of wasting time on data indicators and want proven automated strategies, make sure to watch the entire tutorial until the end, because I've got a couple of surprises for you up my sleeve. Now, add the toolkit, double-click, and turn on divergences and correction percent to unlock its power. It's got a 3-layer system. Layer 1 spots RSI divergences, flagging reversals when price and momentums don't sync. Layer 2 shows correction boxes, highlighting sharp drops with volume analysis to pinpoint where smart money is pilling in. Layer 3 offers dynamic support resistance levels tied to institutional action. The volume integration's the kicker. Green zones at top show buying pressure during resistance retests. Red zones at the bottom show selling during support tests. For high odds trades, wait for the price to hit a solid, let's say not dotted support line, confirm a bullish divergence, then enter a strong green candle. Stop below the support, target a 2-to-1 reward. Even with killer trends and volume tools, bad entry timing can tank you. Entering too late after a move or too early without confirmation. Most traders hesitate, then FOMO in, only to get stopped out. Break that cycle with Algo Alpha's zero lag trend signals. Search for it on TradingView, select Algo Alpha's version. Its proprietary algorithm cuts lag, catching momentum shifts instantly. You get major reversal signals, let's say big green-red arrows for bullish bearish trend starts, and smaller pullback arrows for adding to positions. A multi-time frame table shows trends across 5-minute, 15-minute, 1-hour, 4-hour, and daily charts. Only trade when all time frames align. Skip if even one's off. For perfect entries, wait for a major arrow. Check time frame alignment, enter on the next candle open, set your stop at the ribbon level, and target 1.5 times risk for conservative trades or 2 times for stronger setups. For Forex, set length to 80, band multiplier to 3, and for crypto, use 10 and 1.5. A pro tip here, disable entry boxes in the Style tab. For stocks, try 65 and 2.5. For gold, 90 and 3.5 to dodge false breakouts. Great entries need momentum confirmation to avoid fakeouts. Old school tools like RSI or MACD lag, only showing what's already happened. Enter the parabolic RSI by chart prime. Search for it on TradingView, a chart price version. This isn't just RSI with parabolic SAR slapped on. It tracks momentum's direction and speed. Orange dots on the RSI line signal bullish momentum. Blue dots mean bearish. Diamond signals on the price chart are key. Big diamonds make strong overbought oversold shifts. Small ones show milder changes. Wait for a zero lag signal, then confirm a parabolic RSI diamond in the same direction. Big diamonds? Go full size. Small ones? Scale down or wait. Monitor dots. Orange keeps long safe. Blue signals shorter exits. For day trading, set RSI links to 10 for quick shifts. For swing trading, use 21 for smoother reads. Perfect entries still need smart exits, or emotions will mess you up, cutting winners short or riding losers too long. The normalized T3 oscillator's your fix. Search for it on TradingView, select Backquance version. Big shout out to them, by the way. Its T3 moving average based is ultra smooth and responsive, with volume-weighted calculations tied to institutional flows. You'll see a T3 histogram for momentum and a white signal line. Use a 3-step exit. First, when the histogram flips color, green to red or vice versa. Take 50% off to lock in profits. Second, wait it crosses the zero line after a good move. Close 25% as momentum fades. Third, when it crosses the signal line, exit the last 25% before a reversal kicks in. For day trading, set normalization to 150 for fast exits. For swing trading, use 200 for smoother signals. These tools are fire, but test them yourselves. Backtesting, price action, fundamentals, whatever fits your style, before risking real cash. As I promised you earlier, and I am a man of my word, make sure to watch the recommended playlist on your screen and the other recommended videos as well. Believe me, you will thank me later. The video you just watched is not a financial advice though. Love this? Hit that like button, drop a comment with your favorite indicator, and subscribe for more. Catch you next time.